Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. As you know that guys, our topic is adverb, right? I have already explained several adverbs in previous videos. The link of those videos is given in the description. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you can watch those videos from the description. So today I am going to explain another adverb which is such or so. In this video I am going to explain such or so. Such or so. Now what is it? What does it mean? I am going to explain in this video. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the adverb such or so. Now what is such or so? So I am going to explain. See, such and so are adverbs. According to grammar, they are adverbs, right? As it is our topic, adverbs, right? So according to grammar, such and so are adverbs. Is this clear? See, what does it mean? What does it mean? And see the meaning. Such and so mean vary. It means vary. Is this clear? Such and so mean vary. See how to use it, where to use it, and what is the usage of it. Such and so are used to make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. What is the usage of it? It is used to make the meaning of an adjective or an adverb stronger. Is it clear? Stronger and stronger. I have already explained adjective and adverb in previous video. The link of that video is given in the description. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video from the description. So it is used to show or it is used to make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. Is this clear? Stronger. Is this clear? See, such and so are also used to show surprise. It is also used to show surprise. It is also used to show amazing, right? Surprise. You can see surprise. See, it is the structure of such. It is the structure of such, or such plus n and r, right? R and n. These are articles. I have already told you that. These are article plus adjective plus noun. We use such with plus adjective and noun. Is this clear? See, such is followed by adjective plus noun. We use such before adjective and noun. Is this clear? We use such before adjective and noun. See the example. After example you will come to know. Ali is such an intelligent boy. Ali is such an intelligent boy. Such intelligent. What is this with us? It is an adjective, right? It is an adjective, and a boy. Boy is noun with us. It is a noun with us. As you can see in the structure, such is such plus a and n plus adjective plus noun. So see the example. Ali is such. You can see the article n, right? Ali is such an intelligent. Intelligent. It is an adjective. Boy. Boy. It is a noun. Is this clear, guys? So now what does it mean? It means that Ali is very an intelligent boy. Ali is very an intelligent boy. We can also say that very, because it means very. It means very. I mean such means very. So Ali is such an intelligent boy. If you want to say like this, you can say on both ways. Ali is such an intelligent boy, or Ali is very an intelligent boy. Very an intelligent boy. Is this clear? See the second example. I have such nice friends. I have such nice friends. Nice, it is an adjective, and friends, noun. Is this clear? So we use such before nice, I mean adjective and noun. Nice friends. These are nice is adjective, and friends, it is a noun with us. Is this clear? I have such nice friends. Is this clear, guys? Now, if I want to explain it in Urdu, then how? See, such and so are adverbs. ये जो है ये एडवर्ब्स है, दोनों एडवर्ब्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रामर. मतलब ग्रामर के लिहाज से ये दोनों एडवर्ब्स है. सच एंड सो मीन वेरी. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है वेरी, एंड वेरी का क्या मतलब है? ज्यादा. वेरी का मतलब है ज्यादा. इज दिस क्लियर? सी, सच एंड सो आर यूज्ड टू मेक द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब स्ट्रॉन्गर. ये जो है ये हम किस लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं? ये इसलिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि हम एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब का जो मतलब है वो उसको मजबूत बनाए, उसको मजबूत करे. इज दिस क्लियर, गाइस? सी, Such and so are also used to show surprise. ये हैरान कुन लम्हात को भी जाहिर करते हैं, हैरान कुन लम्हात को भी जाहिर करते हैं. कैसे देखिए, स्ट्रक्चर देखिए, प्लस such plus n, right? A and n, these are articles, plus adjective plus noun. So see, such is followed by adjective plus noun. Such जो है हम adjective plus noun से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, adjective और प्लस नाउन से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किसको? सच को. Is this clear? See the example. एग्जाम्पल को देखिए. Ali is such an intelligent boy. हमने जो ये सच है ये एडजेक्टिव और नाउन से पहले यूज किया है. हमने सच को एडजेक्टिव और नाउन से पहले यूज किया है. और इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Ali is such an intelligent boy. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अली बहुत ज्यादा ज़हीन है. अली बहुत ज्यादा ज़हीन लड़का है. Is this clear? ज़हीन लड़का है. दूसरी एग्जाम्पल देखिए. I have such nice friends. I have such nice friends. I used such मतलब मैंने सच को एडजेक्टिव और नाउन से पहले यूज किया, इस्तेमाल किया. सच को मैंने एडजेक्टिव और नाउन से पहले इस्तेमाल किया. Is this clear guys? Now अब इस एग्जाम्पल का क्या मतलब हुआ? इस एग्जाम्पल का मतलब ये हुआ I have such nice friends. मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त है. मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त है. Is this clear? Now it has also a note. So come to the note. So see, here is the note of such. I told you that such has a note. So see the note. Such can be used as an adjective. In previous example I used such as an adverb, but now I am going to use such as an adjective as well. It can be used as an adjective. Is this clear? When such is used as an adjective, it is followed by only noun. Whenever we want to use such as an adjective, then we have to it is followed by then it is followed by only a noun. Only noun. Is this clear? Whenever we want to use such as an adjective, then we have to write such before noun. Before noun, we have to write such before noun. How? See the example. There are such fools. There are such fools. See, this is a noun with us, right? So here we use such, and now in this example such is an adjective. In this example such is an adjective. So here I use such as an adjective. In previous examples I use such as an adverb, but in this example it is an adjective. Is this clear? So there are such fools. So such is followed by a noun. Fools it is a noun with us, right? So there are such fools. Is this clear? See the second example. He is such a boy. He is such a boy. A boy, it is a noun with us, right? It is a noun with us. So here I use such. I use such as an adjective, right? In previous example it was as an adverb, but in this example it is an adjective. Is this clear, guys? So now come to another adverb, which is so. Now what is so? See, so is followed by an adjective or adverb. It can be followed by an adjective or adverb. Both ways are possible. See how. Ahmad is so intelligent. Ahmad is so intelligent. What is intelligent with us? It is an adjective, right? It is an adjective. So you can see here, so is followed by an adjective or adverb. So we can write so before an adjective as well as before adverb. So this is Ahmad is so intelligent. Intelligent, it is an adjective, and I wrote so before adjective. Intelligent, it is an adjective with us. So here it is adverb, right? I used or I wrote so before an adjective. See the second example. They are so honest. They are so honest. So what is honest with us? It is an adjective, right? It is an adjective, and so it is an adverb here. So I wrote or I used so before an adjective. Is this clear? See, in these two examples I am going to use so before, or so is followed by adverbs. How? See, Imran speaks fast. Imran speaks so fast. So it is an adverb, right? It is an adverb with us. Now what is fast? It is also an adverb. It is also an adverb, because you can see this. So is followed by an adjective or an adverb. So here Imran speaks fast, so fast. So it is an adverb, and as well as fast, it is also an adverb with us. It is also an adverb with us. See another example. I write so carefully. I write so carefully. So it is an adverb, right? And what is carefully? It is also an adverb. It is also an adverb, as you can see here, right? As you can see here. So we can use so with both. I mean adjective and adverb. Is this clear, guys? Now if I want to explain it in Urdu, how? See, note को देखिए. Such can be used as an adjective. हमने जो पिछले एग्जाम्पल थे उसमें हमने सच को एडवर्ब के लिहाज से यूज किया, इस्तेमाल किया. लेकिन अब मैं सच को एडजेक्टिव के लिहाज से इस्तेमाल करने वाला हूँ. कैसे? देखिए, सच कैन बी यूज्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव. व्हेन सच इज यूज्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव, जब हम सच को एज एडजेक्टिव के लिहाज से इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जब हम सच को एडजेक्टिव के लिहाज से इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो इसका फिर क्या मतलब है और किस से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं? इट इज फॉलोड बाय ओनली नाउन. इट इज फॉलोड मतलब नाउन से पहले हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जब ये एडजेक्टिव होगा, सच जब एडजेक्टिव होगा तो फिर हम नाउन से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कैसे? देखिए, दे आर सच फूल्स. दे आर सच फूल्स. ये फूल्स जो है ये हमारे पास नाउन है, तो मैंने सच को जो है नाउन से पहले इस्तेमाल किया. और ये यहाँ पर सच जो है ये एडजेक्टिव है, एडवर्ब नहीं है, ये एडजेक्टिव है. As I said, it can be used as an adjective also. So see another example. He is such a boy. A boy, it is a noun with us, right? It is a noun with us. ये हमारे पास नाउन है. बॉय जो है ये नाउन है और मैंने सच को नाउन से पहले यूज किया. नाउन से पहले यूज किया. यहाँ पर देखिए हमारे पास एक और एडवर्ब है जो है सो. सो अब सो क्या है? सो इज फॉलोड बाय एन एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब. सो हम एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब से पहले लिखते हैं. सो को हम एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं? देखिए, अहमद इज सो इंटेलिजेंट. अहमद इज सो इंटेलिजेंट. मैंने सो को इस्तेमाल किया एडजेक्टिव से पहले. ये इंटेलिजेंट जो है ये हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव है, तो मैंने सो को एडजेक्टिव से पहले इस्तेमाल किया और सो हमारे पास एडवर्ब है. सो हमारे पास एडवर्ब है. इस एग्जांपल का क्या मतलब हुआ? अहमद इज सो इंटेलिजेंट. अहमद बहुत ज़हीन है. अहमद बहुत ज़हीन है. दूसरे एग्जांपल को देखिए, दे आर सो ऑनेस्ट. दे आर सो ऑनेस्ट. ऑनेस्ट है ये हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव है और सो जो है ये हमारे पास एडवर्ब है, तो मैंने सो को एडजेक्टिव से पहले इस्तेमाल किया. सो को एडजेक्टिव से पहले इस्तेमाल किया. तो इस एग्जांपल का क्या मतलब हुआ? दे आर सो ऑनेस्ट. वो बहुत ईमानदार है. वो बहुत ईमानदार है. ठीक है. अब इस एग्जांपल में मैं सो को एडवर्ब से पहले इस्तेमाल करूंगा. इन दोनों एग्जांपल में मैंने सो को एडजेक्टिव से पहले इस्तेमाल किया और अब इस एग्जांपल में मैं जा रहा हूं और एडवर्ब को मैं चाहता हूं कि एडवर्ब को और सो को जो है ये एडवर्ब से पहले इस्तेमाल करूं. सो को एडवर्ब से पहले इस्तेमाल करूं. कैसे? देखिए, इमरान स्पीक्स सो फास्ट. इमरान स्पीक्स सो फास्ट. फास्ट जो है ये हमारे पास एडवर्ब है. फास्ट एडवर्ब है और सो भी एडवर्ब है, लेकिन मैंने सो को एडवर्ब से पहले इस्तेमाल किया. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, सो इज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन. आई मीन सो इज फॉलोड बाय एन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब हम इन दोनों से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, एडजेक्टिव हो या एडवर्ब हो, ये इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो देखिए, इमरान स्पीक्स सो फास्ट. सो हमारे पास एडवर्ब है और फास्ट हमारे पास एडवर्ब है और सो भी एडवर्ब है. तो हम सो के बाद एडवर्ब भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं और एडजेक्टिव भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो दूसरे एग्जांपल को देखिए, आई राइट सो केयरफुली. आई राइट सो केयरफुली. ये केयरफुली जो है ये हमारे पास एडवर्ब है और सो भी एडवर्ब है. तो हम जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को कहा कि सो हम एडवर्ब हो या एडजेक्टिव हो दोनों से पहले इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. दोनों से पहले इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और मैंने इस्तेमाल ही कर दिया. आप लोग देख सकते हैं मैंने एडजेक्टिव से भी पहले इस्तेमाल किया और एडवर्ब से भी पहले इस्तेमाल किया. इज दिस क्लियर, गाइस? Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. अब अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी न्यू वीडियोस आपको जल्द से जल्द मिले. थैंक यू.